This 2022 Fleetwood Bounder 35K is a Class A RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Fleetwood is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, microwave, oven, slide-out, air conditioning, LP detector, water heater, stovetop burner, leveling jacks, smoke detector, external shower, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.